scallion, garlic and thyme. And just do like that. Eat the pepper. So when I eat the cornmeal, I go taste it. It have a flavor. That's the pepper, so I go run in the cornmeal and oil paper because you don't know butter run out, so you want to go and you can tip a little oil to keep it calm and moist. Just a little bit, not too much grease to put my paper. So I'm going to rest this nearby and I'm going to do like this with paper. Take my paper, I'm going to do like that, stir with my paper. Paper. So you stir it up in the paper and look on it. If you say you want some more my paper, so you just pour some more in it till you get it where you want it. Just do that. Understand the paper. Take the paper with a combine. See the paper, you still don't want it too soft. You still can sprinkle a little bit more. Because you want your thing to eat good and taste good. You don't want it too softy like, you know? No porridge. A ton cornmeal, not porridge. Take the paper. Don't worry about what I drop out, man. Enough there on my paper for sure. You stir it till you can't see no raw grain, people. No raw grain, nothing tonight. You understand my paper? No raw grain. You see paper turn cornmeal. We are going to cover him up a bit. Make him stay there and steam. You see the water your paper. The water your feet ackee. You understand the paper, so I'm going to wash the ackee and throw him in the pot make it boil. As when I say we are going to have some rendering and ackee. I understand because we are 1 and 2 people who eat meat. They eat meat but not chicken. Yeah. But I don't care who don't eat chicken, people not chicken, but because I love it. The ackee wash, you have to pour them in the water. Eat the paper, Jamaican ackee. You just have to push up the fire. Up the fire, make him boil. And people, you see the fire? That is the next thing you have to watch your fire, your cornmeal. Because you don't want it burn up. You understand? So your fire for the pan a low mix. I know all of you people use the gas stove and thing, but you don't know. outside thing over there and you don't know your strips. Rock up some stick. Put it on the fire. Boy. So I'm gonna switch a little cover up on the Aki paper and replace the one. Easy as that. So you have the cornmeal. Aki go boil. And this true chicken take time as Sima said we. And we have the ready now we are going to deal with it. So I'm going to show you the whole strippings people how to do the Aki and the ready. Yes, my people. My kitchen hot, my people. Butter. Oh, this call is special like Tamilese part of sing about. You see this? It's rum and boom. Rum and boom. Jamaican Kulu rum with boom. So this name under my special. So me day on the vibes. I eat Tamilese part of sing about my people. Chang me people. See my paper. Well, that's a red ring, so I have a ring off me. I know paper. The scent of the thing are very strong. So, after that, the paper, so Aki now. Take off the Aki now paper. Eat some season on my people. Put up some season on my people. I chop up some onion, people. Pull up in the Chevy, you can keep up with them. Wash off the tomato. Down by myself, but I'm never lonely. See, I ain't really just gonna have remorse for you. This ain't a Maybach. And my RAACs go way back. They go way back. I have scotch pan and pepper, my people. You cook with a lot of pepper still, you know, people. Yeah, because all of the things spicy, you know. I show no whole shit for my people. How to deal with the ackee and the red ring. So this is a season for the ackee, my people. And the red ring. You see it, my people? Lice up them. You see that, my people? I'm gonna rest this off here a minute. So remember, people, you have the red ring pickup and you have the seasoning. So here I go on now, my people. I just rest this from the season because we don't want to fly outside with the still, so you don't know anything of my people. I'm going to move to the blender now, my people. Blend up some coconut juice again, my people. You see the coconut juice, I'm going to use it to steam down the ackee and the red ring. Yes, my people, so we take back a look in a pattern now. Jesus Christ, my people, I wish you could have smell it. Yes, my people, are ready. Yes, people, you see this? This name cane leaf. Sugar cane, my people. Sugar cane leaf. So I'm going to use this to make some tea, my people. Yeah, be the first time I see this, my people. So I don't know how I go on. Like, subscribe, and share. So I'll give him a wash, my people. Wash him off. You see it, my people? Then I'm going to bend him. Fold him up.
Why to point your finger when you live a life to sin? I'ma bring my niggas with me if I lose or win. What a fleet of cars.
Put them in a pot, my people. So remember, sugar cane leaf, tea I'm going to make today.
Still blowing thick smoke while you powder your nose. Touch your hair, brush until the day the fair rush. That's when you niggas wish you push your bread up.
So I'm gonna cover him up my paper. In one. Boy. Yes, my paper. Yes, my paper. So I don't know, sir. Dinner time, you know. People, don't check out my plate. Don't check out the plate of my paper. The plate has a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and supper. People talk it to the bad dog. Cha-cha. In a pot, we are going to paper. That my paper. Don Camille with the gungo. Yes, my people, I don't know how vibes it up kitchen. Yes, my people, so we are going to eat some food and do. Yes, eat my people. People, so you don't know. They up on them vibes it up kitchen, you understand? It's Joe chicken on my paper. Yes, my paper. Well cook and mash up. Yes.
Rosé, a born stunner. I can blow money. 50 when I'm shopping. That ain't no money.
Eat my paper.
Money stuffed in them. I got 40 whips. Way too much in them. I need me a queen. I need me a dame.
Yes, my paper.
Just show me your sign.
Joe chicken that my paper. Now we are moved to the Aki and the Red Rain. God, my paper. You see that? Jesus Christ, my paper. Man. Yes, people on my plate. Listen up, people. Now, I forgot to say me craving, but why? Yes, we eat some bully for food, my people. I mean, I don't know my paper. Yes, my paper, so me have some cucumber slice up and some salad. Cucumber, then me put salad. I've got my paper. Jesus, my people, I have a wonderful evening, my people. Now me have around the table now, my paper. Jesus Christ. People, not take a good look for it. That's what I was doing today. Understand me, paper? Yes, so this is the Don Camille with the gongo. I have the Aki and the Red Rain. It's Joe chicken, my paper. So this is how we do it. Jesus Christ, people. You think me I do something wrong, people? No, wait a minute. People, believe me, I swear. I'm not the best. I'm doing my thing. Everybody doing thing. A different style, different fashion. I don't know. Please, now we're gonna like, subscribe, and share my paper. So I'm gonna taste the cucumber and all my paper. You understand my paper? And then I'm gonna eat a piece of the stew chicken. And then they call me my paper. Yes, my paper. Yes, my paper. So see you food them, eh? Yes, my paper. Ready for eat. Slap my paper. Cane leaf tea. Yes, my paper. So. Yes, my paper. Done it on our paper.
Even local them are full of
Friends, I'm still at 8. Yes, my people. Check out my artist, my friend.
Number one.
Big friend, yeah?
Upcoming.
Shane Sparks. Yes, people. So what up on the ends, outside kitchen. Yes, my people. So some don't eat and some still a eat. Yes, my people, so. We have a wonderful time, people. Give thanks and praises. Blessing. My people are vibing up outside kitchen. So you can check out my thing on YouTube. Ella Mix Diana, Ella me people, just prepare some done farming, Redderine and Aki. Go check in and we have some cucumber salad, my people. Hard vibe settings, my people. So don't forget my people, subscribe me on YouTube.
Like the bars, this every 2 doesn't compete with niggas like ours. That's why I see no need to compete with niggas like y'all. I just asked them when you